Define normal subgroup. A subgroup n of the group G is called the normal subgroup. It satisfies the conditions G and G inverse belongs to n. For every n belongs to n, G belongs to G. G is the group, n is the normal subgroup. Here n is denoted by the symbol, capital N is denoted by symbol is normal subgroup. Here given statement is n is the subset of G. G is the big set, or subset n. Here read the statement of normal subgroup. A subgroup n of the group G is called the normal subgroup. It will satisfy the condition G and G inverse belongs to n. For every n belongs to n, G belongs to G. Based on this theorem, normal subgroup, here first statement is, given statement is, a subgroup n of the group G is normal subgroup of G if and only if G capital N G inverse belongs to n for every G belongs to G. Given n is a subgroup of G, to prove that n is a normal subgroup of G, that is G and G inverse is equal to n for every G belongs to G. Given statement n is a subgroup of G, that is n is a subset of G. G is a group, n is a normal subgroup. Here n is a subset of G, given statement. Then here to prove that the result n is a normal subgroup of G, given statement. To prove the result G n G inverse belongs to n, that implies G n G inverse is equal to n for every G belongs to G. Adin prove pannom. Then here given statement G and G inverse is equal to n. To prove the result, n is a normal subgroup. So here G and G inverse is equal to n, given statement. Then here to prove that the result is n is a normal subgroup. G and G inverse is equal to n. A is equal to B means here to write the result, A is a subset of B and then B is a subset of A. Here to possible to write the result, G capital N G inverse is a subset of n, because given statement G and G inverse is equal to n. So here G and G inverse is a subset of n. It will be true, contained in n. And then next line we to write G capital N G inverse is a subset of n. G and G inverse is contained in n means here G and G inverse belongs to n. G capital N G inverse belongs to capital N. By the definition, we get the statement n is a normal subgroup of G. The above statement implies n is a normal subgroup of G. Next on the converse part. Here, suppose that n is a subgroup of G. Then given n is a normal subgroup. To prove the result, G capital N G inverse is equal to n. G capital N G inverse is n அப்படின்னு நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோம். G capital N G inverse is equal to n நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோம். Here n is a normal subgroup. n is a normal subgroup படிக்கும்போது வந்து it will be true the statement G capital N G inverse belongs to n. G capital N G inverse belongs to n. Then it will be true G capital N G inverse is the subset of n. G belongs to G, n belongs to n means G capital N G inverse is a subset of n. Then first equation can be write it in another form, pre multiplied by G and then post multiplied by G inverse. ரெண்டு பக்கம் வந்து முன்னாடி G ஆலையும் பின்னாடியும் வந்து G inverse ஆலையும் left hand side right hand side multiply பண்ணுறப்போ we get this equation. Then next வந்து to apply the left hand side, to apply the associative condition G G inverse capital N G G inverse is a subset of G N G inverse. G G inverse A inverse is equal to E. Inverse property apply பண்ணுறப்ப we get the solution E N E is a subset of G N G inverse. Left hand side will be true. E under multiplication is 1. So N is a subset of G N G inverse. Then from the equation 1 and 2 implies G capital N G inverse is equal to N.